we looking? I know.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
And just burning low, lots of mistletoe.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by SunberHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wine today. Listen, 2 weeks in a row, Kai is on the go. A little bit more, hold on. Ooh. Now before I get into this pre-cut, pre-plucked 13x4, 13x4 glueless wig install, make sure you understand it is still Wigmas, and your girl has a giveaway in the pinned comment. Check it out. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from SunberHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their autumn chestnut color. It kind of reminds me of like, you know, like the piano brown color, but it's a little bit darker. Definitely giving like a cooler weather type of look. You know, it's cute. We're gonna see how it looks on me. It kind of matches into my skin tone, so I don't know how I'm gonna style this just yet. This is a 13x4 pre-cut lace frontal, meaning it's 13 inches from ear to ear and then 4 inches deep of parting space in the middle. They cut it off for you. So if you are not a fan of the closure pre-cut wigs, you want the ear-to-ear coverage, Sunber said we got you. They also have the invisible ear tape already on the wig, so you can tack your wig down around your ear, so you can still have that glueless look with no lifting. They did say this is US grade, allergy-free, blue tape or whatever, supposedly. I'm not a medical person, I don't know, okay? Test it on your skin before you know, tack it down all the way. If you put this joint on and you feel itching and burning, take it off, okay? Don't sit there with it on your head. Be smarter than the tape, child. I'm gonna use my soft focus powder by Black Radiance. I'm gonna put it just around the edge here. Let me put on a wig cap. Look at my hairline. They do say this comes with pre-everything, okay? Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I can't really tell only because of the color of the unit. I can still see the knots on my hand. If you did a wipe on, wipe off type of thing, you're not wrong about the pre-bleach, but let's be for real, okay? Let me do it. Let me put a little bit more tint right here in the middle. Before I put this on my head, I'm getting my little hoe bath. Okay, my daughter calls it a holiday bath. Because I said it the other day and she was like, what does that mean? Does that mean holiday? Sure. It sure does, sweetie. So you wanna get that smell out quickly, just give it a little holiday bath, okay? So I'm gonna do a little dry shampoo. This needs a little bit more spray. God, that smell. That water kicked that smell right up in my face. I don't like that. Wash this one, wash it immediately. Mine does have the hooks for the elastic band. However, I don't have an elastic band, Sunber. Good thing I have an extra one. Does it go down or? Now let's put it on my head. Let me get that band down. Hold on, I don't want this on my edges. Let me pull my cap down. The focus is not really gonna be on the hair. It's mainly on the install and the color. And let's see if I can even use the ear tab if it comes around my ear. I wish this was cut out a little bit. See how it's kind of making my ear buckle? These ear tabs would be perfect if they could fit around the ear a little bit better. Definitely feels snug. I do have some extra lace on my wig. I can see the pre-pluckness, but it could be better. I'm just gonna pull out some hair in the front, just a smidge. Well, that came out pretty easy. Maybe the hairline is more bleached than anything. Cut off any excess lace that you do not want on your wig, because that'll just be more lace you gotta blend with your product. Let's see how this is gonna work. How you peel it? Supposedly with this could last a week. Wait, that didn't stick. It just came right off of here. It's, ugh. Did I pull it off wrong? Try it again, let me keep going. I see what y'all are trying to do, but it's not sticking on the lace. Let me see if I take it off of here, if it come off. You can see right here, the tape is on there. This may be too strong of a tape. There we go. Okay, I got some of it off. But I don't think it's gonna fit on me because I don't want this on my hair. Let me see. It's not gonna come all the way down to my ear. So this tape will actually be on my hair. And unfortunately, that's not gonna work for me. I don't want that in my hair. Y'all see my hair is right here. That's literally where the tape will be. Good idea, Sunber, but you may wanna try something else as far as that tape is concerned. It's a little At least for me, it didn't want to work as it was intended. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with our install. Let's use the Nairobi mousse, 2 pumps on each side. That's a lot. A lot of y'all been tagging me in that TikTok video, as well as commenting on my YouTube about the big bottle of Nairobi, the refillable. You know your girl added that to her Christmas list. Thanks, Ken. Hold on, let me just bring these hairs down. I'm gonna utilize this 13x4. I'll probably have to put bobby pins on the side, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure this is more like a water wave texture. Put on my band. I'm making good time though. Your girl got a Christmas function today. I got about an hour to get ready and I'm on time right now. Let's define my curls. Spray water all over. Make sure I get these ends. They're a little, come on. My ends are a little scraggly looking. Definitely use a lot of water in this hair. You will have some shedding and some tangling with this because I am definitely getting some. Mousse all over. Keep the styling very simple. Oh, my glass is all crooked. I was like, what? Who's crooked? Me or the mirror? This hair could definitely use a little bit of conditioner or some silicone mix. And I do consider SunberHair to be more of a fast fashion brand based on what they offer and their hair quality. They're more like on the trendy side of wigs and colors, but they do give, you know, the looks for, you know, a cheaper price. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Hold on, focus, there we go. This hair is a little frizzy, especially on the ends. Work that product in. A little bit more mousse on here. Work that product in. Some of the hair on this one is like a lot curlier than the other one. I swear, one side always comes out better. At this point, whatever. Use some more of that Sleek and Shine. Sleek and Shine. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick and then we'll come back, diffuse the hair, and finish up the styling. Ooh, my glasses, golly. Let me take off the band. See how the hairline is sitting? Pretty nice. Let me fix my makeup really quick. She is ashy around my forehead. This is just my excess foundation brush. No contour yet. Let's see if I need it first. I had wiped some of my contour on my paper, so I'm just gonna take some of that off and just pop it around the hairline. Just create some shadow around my forehead so it doesn't look as big. I do need to move my unit down some because she is pulling back a little bit more than I would like. Put my glasses over top of the ear tabs. Make sure my hairline is in place to brush back what I don't need. I will definitely be washing this when I finish up. Bring some lift up here. Let's see if I want to pull it back, maybe. Hold up, give me the curl that I want. Brush this part closed because I don't need to open like that. Hold on, ooh. Not using no glue yet. Diamonds in the back, sunroof top. Put my glasses back over top my lace into the wig. Let me use my hairspray back here just to kind of get a little bit more lift. Let me wrap a little piece around the base here so it's not showing. Bobby pin it down. I'm just brushing down some of the hairs in the front. Give that wispy look. Okay. I can actually just leave it back like that if I wanted to. Okay, I think that's it. One more thing, I'm gonna spray a little bit of my light silk spray just for a little bit of hair perfume. The processing and the coloring of this hair will cause it to have that chemical smell. So sometimes the holiday bath does not work. Put her outside, air her out for a good 24 hours. Trust me. How we looking? I know. I think the final result of this unit is gorgeous. The effortless type of curl with this unit is really pretty and it's longer than I normally would get. I'm pretty sure this is 24 inches, but if I'm wrong, you know, the information's in my description box. Again, the ear tab tape didn't work for me, but I could definitely put a bobby pin here if I wanted more security. But because I wear glasses, my glasses hold it right down and it looks good. In my opinion. I'm so happy they gave us a pre-cut 13x4. Even though I do love the pre-cut closure wigs, you do gotta finagle your side if you wanna hide that. This, I don't gotta do that. It looks natural all the way from ear to ear. Still glueless up under here, look. lace, okay? Still glueless all the way around. The bleach knots actually worked out, at least around the front. Maybe they did just bleach around the front part. And for pre-bleachness, that's kind of standard. The hairline out the pack didn't look as pre-plucked as it does right now. And y'all saw I didn't pull that much hair out of this unit. So what I was able to do with this wig based on what they gave me is pretty nice. You're not getting a lot of parting space up in here for, like, you know, a deep center part or a deep side part, but I'm still able to utilize the parting space and give some different looks. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to SunberHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.